Hello, I'm Robbie Ritchie. I come from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, and I came here to be part of Oleg's Visionary Seminar. And I've had an amazing time here, soaked in so much knowledge, such a spiritual place to be, so much energy, and having the opportunity to come here and learn from such a master, a living master, is an amazing opportunity that you should never pass up. We did a lot of process work to get to our masterpieces that we were working on now. We start off with the linear sketch, and we do our tonal sketch, and from there we do our color sketches, cartone to the canvas. Just valuable information that on your own isn't so easy to take in and to learn. But Oleg is an amazing teacher, and you will learn priceless information to help you paint, become a better artist. And I'm very grateful. Thank you.